Are you falling behind? Are your staff wasting too much time and effort? Do you need to eliminate wasted time and resources? Well, it's time to catch up. 6S Partners is here to help you catch up and compete. The 6S Partners team has deep operational knowledge and experience with ERP Based Manufacturing. Learn the best practices that will drive your business toward improved profitability, such as the streamlined approach that an ERP Based Process Map or Value Stream Mapping provides. Develop your staff to be your best asset and improve the operational performance and culture of your entire team. Most businesses waste 80% of their time collecting, managing, and reporting data, and only spend 20% of their time using that data productively. Turn the tables on waste by eliminating unproductive processes in every department, every day. Many businesses make technology investments hoping to solve their problems, only to add more complexity. 6S Partners and Epicor help you tune up your operations with proven processes supported by proven technology to increase productivity and profitable growth.
We had a tight budget, we had a tight timeline, and we hit both of them solid. In my experience over 40 years of manufacturing, I have not seen this done before. I would strongly encourage and recommend 6S Partners and Epicor to any manufacturing company.
Achieve more through our comprehensive approach. Close the gaps in your business and increase performance. It's time to compete to win. Contact 6S Partners today.